Guys, do not miss this article. Once again, back with imported tracksuits collection with your favorite brand. As you can see, the brand, the inside detailing, the tagging work, each and every detailing is so perfect as usual. You can see all over monogram print, highly demanded by the customer these days. Runway Singh edition store article you will get. As you can see, the fabric, premium fabric you will get. You can see the backside all over printed, joggers detailing in M to double XL size available, 100% imported stuff you will get, satisfactory product. So hurry up and grab your satisfaction guaranteed. Very